Sandip Sabharwal is ready. And where is the umbrella? Monsoons have come early. No one's managed to get umbrella, no raincoats. Even the shopkeepers were not ready. Same rains have come so early this year, Sandeep.
So you make a rule that all interviews on rainy days should be with umbrellas or raincoats.
As long as it's not rainy days for markets, I'm okay, right?
Rainy days are good now for the markets.
So what is in store now? We've had a good rally, some amount of consolidation. Are we likely to pick it up, or we will consolidate for a few more weeks before we pick it up?
I think there's no reason to be negative per se. So I think that's the base case. So once you have a view that there's no need to be negative, then you have to look for opportunities to buy into stocks or sectors which you think could provide opportunities. And I think that's what should play off. I think like the commentary, like the discussion you are doing prior to our interaction. I would agree that inflation will undershoot RBI expectations, and that will give them a lot of leeway to conduct monetary policy in a way where economic revival gets entrenched. And once the economic revival gets entrenched, I think the good cycle should last for a few years. The second part for global flows is that what's happening on the US dollar is very important, and that's something which people should monitor because I think US dollar is entering into another leg of a downturn, which could take it even 5 to 7% further down from where it is, the US dollar index. And such moves are typically bullish for emerging market equities. And we've seen many such cycles in the past. So I believe that itself will get in money into emerging markets over the next few years, a few months. So trend is positive. Markets are not cheap, but in bull markets are not cheap. So they get cheap during corrections, and those corrections need to be bought into, as we saw earlier during the year. And the people who are still waiting for a very sharp dip, they might be disappointed.